guys, how have you been? I missed you guys. So you guys have been complaining about me doing local foods only. Local foods, ever local foods. So today I decided to bring you one of the fast foods. Of course, this is chicken for you, and guess what? It's deep fried one. You normally call it KFC. I don't know whether it's the right name. Okay, to get it out. Ngawe mujita KFC. The simplest way to make KFC at home. So you guys keep locked. Go kuja subscription. Guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's of course Lily's Foods and Lifestyle. Lifestyle nakona katadeko. Of course we shall be walking through that journey of lifestyle. Mbalage obulamu we butambule erudde eno gye mutaba. So it's Lillian Foods and of course Lifestyle. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Yeah, comment in Zandiza because we learn through our mistakes. So I welcome those comments, everything. You can put it down there. Nenga, thank you guys for watching. So tuafinye nkoko yafe without wasting time. Tutandikideo tuafinye nkoko yafe no. Naye I don't know guys, mzenze ka atakiriza nti ene nkoko osobola ogijira n'ogiteeka mu buto direct. So to me, I think esooka kutokosebwako, and of course that's what I'm going to do. Ozisooka n'ogifuna n'ogirongosa nga wala batubadde tumaze ogirongosa. Yes, you put it on a clean tray, as you can see. Nojiteka mu kintu ekiri clean. Then before putting it on fire, you can use a gas, you can use cooker, you can use charcoal stove, anything that you have, because this is homemade. Ekyewaka tetwetaaga kwetawanya ky'olina ky'okozesa. So today of course I'm using my cooker. Yes, otekako ojira cooker yaffe ready. Before putting on cooker, nsooka nenkulagako bino byammanga byolina oteeka mu nkoko yaffe. Bigiyamba okuwunya obulungi, okujayo akawowa kalungi, like akawowa kesinga okwetaaga, because this is what makes KFC gye muwulira. Without wasting time, oteekamu omunnyo, salt, you get your ginger, you get your garlic, you get your bay leaf. Yes, you can get your black pepper. Na black pepper wanonze mbadde simwetaagawo, that's why simutadde. Yes, you can get chicken masala. It can also work, though here mbadde naye simwetaaga, that's why simutadde. Byentaddemu ebyo byenneetaaga. Yes, nze because I'm the one who is going to eat it. So you can make your own recipe as you want it to be. So that's what I wanted. Nambiteka mbulujo. Then after nenjuwamu amazi, I poured in little water because it's going to boil for 20 minutes only. Not more than 30. Okay, not more than 30. You boil it for some few minutes. Of course, I covered my thingy after putting it more saucepan. I of course covered it. And after covering it, kumuliro gyekigwera. So it has to boil. It has to be there for some 20-25 minutes. Ejja kubeera ready. Kitegeera. Era nga wolaba ngitaddeko ku muliro. So these ingredients, all the spices we've put, You do this with a clean hand. So me, I'm done washing my hands. I'm of course done cleaning it. So you mix them well. Yes. Here, if you have a black pepper, this is where you put it from. One take it black pepper, then a later what? Kamlari. This is the right place. Then after, we are going to put in our chicken. Yeah, as you can see, I'm putting in my chicken. This paper towel etuyambako okujamu the unwanted soap kuba tuba tetukyamwetaaga oyo. Enkoko nafumbye nnyingi because I have a family. I'm not going to eat it alone. Yeah, I have kids. Of course, my mommy and my girls, of course. What mommy is doing. So after you mix them all, together. As you can see, very simple, like eating matoke and of course chicken. It's very simple, like eating matoke and chicken. Yangu nyo. You don't need to stress yourself, banange. Chotaina. These spices you see here, it's not a must if you're not bit a cambion. You use what you have. When we talk about garlic, jenga, soft na yobuno Buganda buno oyo kamlali wa from Uganda no bango okoze soyo. You don't need to stress yourself mukunonya bino. These are kind of expensive. Na yo so okoze sana oyo Muganda. In fact oyo Muganda achijayo bulungi. So I recommend that. Bapanze simu ina wano. Nice na muina gwe nankozesa. So after mixing them well, you leave them to mayonnaise for some minutes. It can be for an hour. You cover them very well and give it time. You give it like an hour or 130 minutes or even 2 hours because they need to mayonnaise. Okay? Era wetu nabo nkoze. Ngenda bibi kaka ebintu byange. This is what you need. This is what you need. Okuteka for our thing to mayonnaise. Katawanya. You guys, we know better careful when using it because kaina mwechejo. But of course can. You wrap it well. But for you can leave it for 2 hours, 130 minutes. Yeah, like no man. You guys should taste this. So after here, this is what we do next. And you get your chicken, you put it here like this. You take a you do it slowly, top up. You take your time. Then after you put it in water like that. As you can see. Then after you again put it in flour. As you can see. This process, abamu balina webagala eggs, eggs. But for today's whatever, you're not putting in eggs. Recipe of eggs. We're just doing it like this, change a day. But next time I'll cook that. Next time I bring you that of eggs. Era when you are doing that of eggs, one wotera magi. After wotera magi, one we know take it. But for today, we are doing this. So our cooking oil is ready. Here we're good to go. Let me first test with this. This cooking oil, I know kubanga tayidde nnyo. Ngali awo ayidde tayidde. Yeah, our cooking oil is ready. As I showed you. So yeah, putting our pieces. This for something 10 to 20. So guys, this is our final stage. Of course, it looks so yummy, and of course I'm tasting. I wanted it this way. You can also make yours when it's not this good, like this brownish. Depends on how you want it to look like. Of course, this is what I wanted. As I told you, next time we are doing the one with eggs, and of course it will be different from this one. Yes, I can't wait to make that with you. Don't mind this cannula because I'm on treatment, which is right there. I thank God I'm getting better, and with God, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and to those who have not subscribed yet, kindly do subscribe to my channel for more and more interesting videos. Of course, Lillian still. I love you. Good night.